got the hiccups, buddy? Yeah. Oh, his little chest. Hey, you got the hiccups, Mr. Hudson? Yes, sir.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Oh. Double whammy.
Oh, how's it going? I got you. I got you, buddy. Hey, Bryant. Hey.
Hey,
Hey.
your eyes are glowing, right? Stop it. Uh-oh.